Hello to everyone, this is Anupama. In this video, I am going to introduce you the pair of straight lines from the inter first year. Okay, so first of all, take the here for the straight lines we are having some general equation, general form of the equation, and all like that homogeneous equations and all. So in the pair of straight lines are nothing but you will have two straight lines, right? So how to indicate that all how to indicate that, see, if a comma b comma h are non-zero real numbers, then we can write h equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0, which is a homogeneous equation. Equation is nothing but which is having some solution. Okay, either it is um, unique solution or like that. So in the second degree means, what is the degree? Degree means the highest power in the expression, right? So what is the highest power? 2. So in the equation, the second degree, in what are the variables you are having in this equation? You are having only x and y, two variables, that is x and y. And the general form, how to give the general form? Before, in the straight lines we are having the general form as x plus a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, like that we are identifying. In this, the pair of straight lines, we are having two straight lines. So how to identify the equation, general form of the equation with two straight lines? How to do that? S equal to x square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2fx plus 2gy plus c equals to 0. For again here, you are having for both variables one term, and for each variable different terms. Okay, like this we are identifying the general form of the equation with pair of straight lines. Okay, here if you observe in this, if you observe, this is the homogeneous equation we have. Whenever if a, b and h are not all zeros, then the equation h equals to this represents a pair of straight lines if and only if there is a condition. This represents a pair of straight lines. Straight lines with a condition, if and only if and only if. This is denoted by, how to denote this one? Double implies means when this happens, this will be happen. This happens, this will be happen. In that way, if you take when the this shows the represents the pair of straight lines if h square is greater than or equals to AB. Okay, h square is greater than or equals to AB. If h square is greater than or equal to AB, then the pair of straight lines represents, and this equation represents pair of straight lines. If this represents pair of straight lines, then this must be happen. Okay, this is the condition, specific condition, whether that particular equation is representing the pair of straight lines or not. Okay. Okay, here if this is the condition, whenever this equation represents a pair of straight lines, then this is the condition. This must be satisfied by the pair of linear equations. Okay, so one more condition is there. What is the condition? If h square is equals to AB. If H square is equals to AB, then the pair of straight lines are coincident. That is H is equals to 0 are coincident. Okay? Coincident. We can say it as coincident. If the condition H square equals to AB, then the pair of straight lines H equals to 0 are coincident. If the pair of straight lines, generally you are able to see the lines differently in different places, you can see that this is the condition. H square is greater than or equals to AB. If you see the two straight lines, the pair of straight lines in one line, then you can say the condition is H square equals to AB. Okay? Coincident is nothing but what, ma? If you have a straight line like this, the other pair of line will be in this line itself. Okay? We call that as coincident lines, right? Okay? Next, one more thing we have is, if capital H. What is capital H? Capital H is equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. Okay, this is the capital H, the pair of straight lines, equation for the pair of straight lines. Okay, the slopes, if m1 and m2 are slopes, then m1 plus m2 is given by h square by AB, sorry, 2h by b minus 2h by b, where b not equals 0. Okay, and m1 into m2 is given by a by b. Okay, if h1 equals to 0 represents pair of straight lines and b not equal to 0, then we can say about the slopes that m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h by b, where b not equal to 0, and m1 into m2 equal to a by b. Okay. Next, coming to the angle between the pair of straight lines. Angle between the pair of straight lines. The angle between pair of straight lines is given by, what is the formula given? Cos theta equal to mod of a1 a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Okay, plus 4h square. What is the equation we have? H is equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This is the equation. So, angle between two pair of straight lines is given by mod of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. This is the formula for the angle between pair of straight lines. Okay, between pair of straight rays. Okay.